Hi, Madam and Sir. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Hani de Guzman Lucario. I'm 37 years old. I live in Montalban, Rizal. I'm a high school graduate, Unidad National High School, Philippines. I'm happily married. I have two kids, 16 years old and 6 years old. I have experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia, 6 years and 4 months, two employer. My first employer is four members of the family. Couple, one son, one daughter, the age of 7 years old and 5 years old. My main duty and responsibility: take care of the baby, changing diaper, preparing breakfast and milk, cleaning the house, cooking, laundering, and ironing. I'm a finished contract 2 years and 2 months. My second employer is six members of the family, couple, one daughter, and three sons. The age of 24 years old, 20, 17, and 14, including cat. My main duty and responsibility is give her food, cat, and water, cleaning the house, cooking, laundering, and ironing, sometimes cleaning the car, and gardening. Finish contract 4 years and 2 months. Mom and sir, if you choose me, I will promise to you I will treat your child as my own child. Why you choose me? Because I'm hardworking, honest, and loyalty. I'm willing to learn. Thank you, Madam and Sir. God bless.